Come join us as we celebrate our 20th wedding anniversary at Spirit Ridge Resort in Osoyoos, British Columbia. We're going to give you a tour of our room, the resort, and show you the special gift they left for us.
Probably this.
After checking in and parking, we went to our room. There is underground parking here, but we chose not to use it. We had already gone into the room and unlocked the balcony door, which made bringing our luggage in easy.
All right, we are staying here for 2 nights. This is the Spirit Ridge Resort in Osoyoos, British Columbia. We are in room 102. We have this nice living room, fireplace, which we probably will not use as it's almost 40 degrees outside right now. It is the middle of July 2024. We have a nice walkout balcony. Right across is a pool with a water slide. Then we come in and we are in the kitchen. They left us a really nice bottle of wine. Very nice. So we have a dishwasher, oven, fridge. Closet right here. And then we walk in here and we have a nice large bedroom. Got another fireplace in here. Desk. Nice big closet with robes. We've got a safe behind the door. Nice big area with a barbecue and chairs. So you come out this door, we have our very own hot tub. And then if you walk If you walk around this way again, you get back to the living room. All right, and we will just go and check out the bathroom, which is behind this door. All right, and then this is the washroom. Very standard, nice, clean. And then this door just goes back to the bedroom.
We left our room and we're gonna go and check out some of the resort.
Excuse us. The market.
You're so lost.
I am lost. Good thing you're here with me, babe. Oh.
Hi there.
Hi.
Oh, you're wanting to come in? Yeah.
Is this the market?
It is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We got maple bacon.
Outside of the market, there's this really nice fountain, and this is where you access the family pool.
This is the family pool. Look at the water slide, James. We might actually come over here and go down the water slide.
At the family pool, there is a water slide, hot tub, steam room, and of course the pool. After checking out the family pool, we were off to explore more.
Because I know they have something here, but I don't know if it's got food.
We found the adult-only pool. Let's check it out.
It's busy. Huh?
Look at that view. Wow, it's gorgeous.
don't know. We can walk around the vineyard, hun.
We decided before doing anything else, we should get something to eat. So we went to the resort's restaurant, which is called The Bear, the Fish, the Root, and the Bear. The food was delicious. After eating, we went back to our room to get ready to go to the pool.
See if yours works.
Morning number 1. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day.
This is just a quick tour of the winery on site. It also serves food on the patio. We hope you liked our tour of this resort. We had a fabulous time and we highly recommend going. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Huh?
Could be a better sunset.